Good morning students, I am Sutnam Kaur. I am going to explain the chapter number 11 next concept, that is the division of the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression already we explained. Then there is one thing more, that is coefficient. What is the meaning of coefficient? That means the value along with the variable. We already do variable, constant, all things we already done. Now what is the meaning of coefficient? If there is a given any variable like this one x square, any number multiply with it, like this one 12. It means 12 is the coefficient of this x square. Value, number along with the variable, that is called the coefficient. If I want to make any coefficient, I have to just remove this variable. The remaining given number is called the coefficient of that variable. That means if I will write 12 is the coefficient of x square. That means this is not coefficient. Only number we can see the coefficient. Variable multiply with any number, that is called the coefficient. Now our next concept, there is a division, but the 11.2 that is not in your syllabus, that is multiplication of a variable, but without doing multiplication we can't do the division of that one. So first I explain multiplication. You have not to solve 11.2, you have to solve 11.3 because that is in your syllabus, but I am explaining 11.2 concept also, because without multiplication we can't do the division. So please listen it. In the multiplication of numbers like this one, 2 multiply 4, then we have multiply, this become 8. In the multiplication of variables like 2x multiply by 4x cube. Now what to do? This number will be multiplied with number, variable will be multiplied with variable. If there is no power, that means one power is present here. Then what to do? Number multiply with number, variable multiply with variable. Now 2 4s are 8 and we have to add the powers. Already you done the exponential chapter. When the variable same, then we will add the powers if the sign of multiply is there. If the sign of division is there, then we will subtract the powers. That means here will be x 1 plus 3. It become 8x raised to power 4. This is the multiplication. But if there is like this one. Now two variables are there. One is x, other one is y. Numbers will be same procedure. 8 4s are 32. Now we can't add the powers of x and y. Just you see there will be one power, there is also one power, but there is a variable x and there is a variable y, and we can't multiply the different variables. Then how to write it? We will just write here x and y. Don't add the powers of different variables. If the variables are same, then we can subtract and add the powers. But if the variables are different, we have to just write it. Now suppose there is given 8x raised to power 3y, then multiply by 4x, y, z. Then what to do? X multiply with x, y multiply with y, z alone will be there, and number multiply with number. 8 4s are 32 like same one. Now x raised to power 3 is there. There is nothing, that means there is 1. Then 1 and 3, x raised to become 4. Then y raised to power 1 is there. Again y raised to power 1 is there. 1 and 1 power become 2. Then z alone is there. We have to write here there like this one. Don't add the different variables powers. We can add the powers of only same variables. Please students listen it carefully, because there will be problem if you don't listen. If the variables are different, that means we can't add powers. If the variables are same, then we can add and subtract the powers. Then we will come our concept, that is division. Now how to do the division? In our exercise 11.3, the first sum, divide simple question is given 18 x raised to power 3y. Then we have to divide it with the number minus 6xy square. This is our given statement. Now what to do? Number will divide with number. It means 18 will divide with minus 6. Then this x cube divide with this x raised to power 1. Then there is y and there is y raised to power 2. Again take power 1. That means same variable divide with same variable. Now 18 cut with 6. There will be 3, but there is sign of negative. Then there is 3 power, there is 1 power, but division is there. That means we have to subtract the powers. 3 minus 1. That means there remain only x raised to power 2. Now y raised to power 2 is there, y raised to power 1 is there. Then again we have to subtract. But greater power is in the denominator. That means this will minus from it. Always the smaller power we subtract from the greater power. This 1 will be subtracted from 2 and remaining there will be y raised to power 1. It is my answer. See it, students, we can divide the numbers with number, same variable with the same variable. Don't take the different variables. In next concept, there is a given division with the only single number. 36a square b square, then plus 24a b square. The next number is 12ab and minus 6. We have to divide this full polynomial 3a square b square. This is our given statement. Now what to do, students? See, there is different terms. First I will see the term. First term, comma. This is the second term and this is the third term and there is the fourth term. That means I will divide a single term with these 4 terms. This one term will divide these 4 terms. How to do it? 36a square b square. This first term divide with the given number 3a square b square, then sign of plus. Then the second term 24ab cube. It will divide with 3a square b square. Then next term is plus 12ab, that 3a square b square. Next term is minus 6. It means each term will divide with the given term. Then how to do it? See, a square is there, a square is there. Same, that means cancel. B square is there, B square, that also cancel. 36 divided with 3, it becomes 12. This is our number. Now next, 24 divided with 3, there will be 8. Now see, students, there is a raised power nothing. That means I will take 1. Now there is 2. 1 comes to 2. Lower power comes to greater power. And division, that will be subtracted. 2 minus 1, there will be power 1 in the denominator. Now b raised to power 3, b raised to power 2. Lower power, smaller power will go to the greater power and we have to subtract 3 minus 2, there will be again 1 in the numerator. That means b will be in a numerator. No need to write 1 power, that is no. If you write, that is also correct. Then next number, 12 divided with 3, there will be 4. Now 1 power is here, 2 power is there. It will come to here and subtracted. 2 minus 1, there will be 1 power in denominator. Again, b raised to power 1, b raised to power 2. This will come to greater number. 2 minus 1, there is also 1. Next minus. This 3 will be cancelled with 6 and there will be only 2. And nothing, no variable is there. That means we have to take as it is. It becomes a square and b square and this is my answer. Once again, if different terms are given term we have to divide with each and every term. Now next concept, that is this method will go along with you up to 10th class. So please see it. This method something lengthy but easy, nothing difficult. So see step by step. The value is given 4x cube, 6x square. Then the next, plus 19x minus 5. This is the given equation and we have to divide it with 2x plus 5. Now why I am not adopting that method? Already we done. There is only one term to divide, but now there are two terms we have to divide. That is not possible. Each term we have to divide it. If one term is given, then each term will divide that one. But if two or more terms are given, then we have to adopt this method. See it step by step. What to do? First value of inside, that is 4x cube. I will write it in rough. Then first value outside, that is 2x, I will take it. That means first term of inside, first term of outside. I have to take a separate division. Now x will be cancelled, there will be only 2, there is also 2. The left is 2x square. First term of inside, first term of outside. I do it roughly division. What is left? That is 2x square. That 2x square I have to write here. Once again, first term inside, first term outside, I have to divide separately. The answer I have to write here. The next concept, this answer comes from here. I have to multiply with these given statement. That means these two numbers. This 2x square multiplied by 2x. That become 4, x square and x become x cube. This is the same statement. Then this 2 multiply 5 become 10 with x square. Now in division we know we have to subtract. To subtract we have to change the sign. There is plus, I take minus. There is plus, again I take minus. These plus are cancelled. We have to take the new signs at the, if there is minus I will take plus. Now this is positive, this is negative. First value cancelled. Then plus, minus, minus. 10 minus 6 here will be 4 along with x square. Now greater number is 10. That means I will take the sign of minus. Then along rest value I have to take here. Now we have to repeat again that same concept. First term inside, first term outside. First term inside is 4x square and outside is 2x. Again we have to solve it. It becomes minus 2x. Again same concept. This answer we have to write here. Now what to do? Same concept. This will multiply with these both two. 2x multiply 2x, it become minus 4x square. Then minus 2x multiply 5 become minus 10x. Then again what to do? We have to change the sign. Now these negatives become positive. Now again see, this is the same statement and cancel. First always cancel. Next plus plus, it become 29x and minus 5. Again first term inside, first term outside. Now x cancel. There become 29 upon 2. That number I have to write here. This 29 upon 2 again multiply these outer values and it become plus 29x and plus 145 upon 2. Now we again change the sign. Now we have to take the LCM of it. 2 minus 10 minus 145 minus 155 upon 2. It become my remainder. It become my quotient. If remainder is 0, that means it is the factor of it. But if the remainder something, some number, some variable is there, that means it is not the factor of it. Please, just one step is there. First term inside, first term outside. We have to divide separately. Answer we have to write here. This answer will be multiplied with both number. Then we have to change the sign. This division is there and this division will go along with you up to 10th class. So please try to do it. You can do it. Okay, thank you very much.